I say with lifted hands. You walked with me, you held my plans. You never leave, you never go. Forevermore, you never leave, you never go. My King, my friend, my Lord, yeah.
Welcome on board, DJ Jerryman live in the studio. This very one I'm about to play now, the title is Breathe on Me. Breathe on Me. Please kindly give me a like, share, comment as you join. That means a whole lot to me. God bless you as you do that. Let's check it out.
Yeah, yeah. Oh. DJ Jerryman, let the drums fall soft. Let the bass line move like a heartbeat. This is not performance, this is prayer. I come with empty hands, no crown upon my head, no strength of my own, just words I barely said. I've tried to stand alone, I've tried to make my way, but every road without you just slowly fades away. Breathe on me, Holy One, fill this heart till your will be done. Breathe on me, light my way, be the fire that will stay. I lay down my ambition, I lay down my pride, every hidden motive I no longer hide. Search me in the quiet, see what I can't see. Take away the pieces that don't look like thee. Breathe on me, holy wind, wash me clean from deep within. Breathe on me, make me new, let my life reflect you. Oh, 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 oh. No more striving, no pretending, no more running from surrendering. Here I am, completely yours. Close every other door. If you say wait, I will wait. If you say move, I will move. If you say speak, I will speak. If you say lose, I will choose you. Breathe on me till fear is gone, till my weakness turns to song. Breathe on me night and day, be my truth, be my way, be my way. Let the guitar whisper holy, let the drums follow.
The title for this one is Still Close. Still Close is the title for this one. Please don't go anywhere. The praise is on the way. We'll switch to praise very soon, but remain connected and kindly give me a like, share, and comment as you join. God bless you.
Still close, DJ Jerryman. Let the guitar speak softly tonight. No rushing rhythm, just a quiet melody where the heart can breathe. There were days when the road ahead felt uncertain, steps taken slowly, wondering where they might lead. Questions move through my thoughts, and the silence around me sometimes felt heavier than the answers I hoped to find. I searched for meaning in seasons that seemed to last longer, expected. Why some praise, wait patiently in the quiet, but somewhere between the waiting and the whispered hopes of my heart, I began to see something gentle. You were still close, not loud, not overwhelming, just present like a calm light resting at the edge of dawn before the world awakens. You were close when strength felt distant, close when hope felt delicate, close when my heart wondered how the story would continue. Looking back now, I see the quiet ways you carried me forward, the doors that opened when I expected none, the peace that arrived when worry tried to remain, the courage that appeared right when fear tried to speak louder. None of it was by chance. It was you, your kindness moving gently through moments I did not yet understand, your grace writing a story beyond what I could see. So tonight I come simply, no hurry in my words, no need to explain everything, just gratitude rising slowly from a heart that finally understands. Through every doubt, every delay, every silent prayer in the night, you were still close. And if your presence has carried me this far, then tomorrow feels different now, because the same God who walked beside me yesterday is already waiting in the morning. So I rest tonight, Lord, not knowing every detail ahead, but trusting the truth that remains steady, no matter where the road leads. You are still close. Give me oil in my lamp, keep me burning. Give me oil in my lamp, I pray. Give me oil in my lamp. Give me oil. Give me oil in my lamp. Give me oil. Give me oil in my lamp. Give me oil. Give me oil. Give me oil in my lamp. Give me oil. 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 Give me Jerryman. Give me oil. Give me Jerryman.